In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a free website with Notion. Creating a personal or professional website doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. With tools like Notion, you can craft a beautiful and functional website without spending a dime. Let's dive into the steps, and by the end of this guide, you'll have your very own website up and running. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to Notion. If you haven't already, open Notion in your web browser. Notion is a versatile tool often used for note-taking and project management, but it's perfectly suited to creating straightforward, clean websites too. Once you're there, your next step is to click on the Templates option. You'll find it right on the sidebar. Templates are ready-made designs that save you tons of time and effort, especially if you're new to website construction. Now, once you're in the Templates section, look for the search bar and type in website. This will help you locate various templates specifically designed for building websites. You'll see a list of suggestions pop up. These templates are crafted to simplify the design process, allowing you to focus on content and personal touches. Looking through, choose a template that resonates with your project's style. Clicking on a template will give you a preview, showing you how your site could potentially look. Select a design that aligns best with your vision for your website. After selecting your preferred template, simply click the Add button. This action will integrate the template directly into your Notion workspace, setting the stage for the next exciting phase: customization. Once you add the template to your workspace, click on Add to Private. This ensures that your initial setup and any initial edits you make remain private, giving you the chance to tweak things exactly to your liking before sharing it with the world. Now, with your template set up in your workspace, you'll want to click on See Template. This will guide you to the page where you can begin editing and customizing your website. From here, you can start modifying text, images, colors, and any other element to truly make the site your own. Consider your website's purpose. What message do you wish to convey, and who's your audience? Tailor your content and design to reflect these answers. Personal touches and thoughtful design will make your website stand out. And there you have it. You now have the foundation of your website ready in Notion. Continue adding your personal flair, whether it's for a portfolio, blog, or small business, and enjoy the process of watching it come to life. Remember, the journey is as rewarding as the final product, so have fun customizing it to match your brand and personality. Happy website building!